Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. 大家好，欢迎回到我们学习汉语的时间。Before we begin today's video, do remember to click the subscribe button. Your support is our greatest motivation to keep this channel going. Thanks everyone. 谢谢大家。Today's video is on 惯用语。What is 惯用语？惯 means used to or accustomed to. 用 is to use. 语 is language or speech. The English equivalent of 惯用语 is commonly used phrase or colloquial expressions. It is commonly used in spoken language. In this video, we have listed 15 most commonly used or heard of Chinese phrases related to the Chinese word 吃. 吃 means to eat. Number 1. 吃皮不吃骨。吃皮不吃骨。皮 means skin. 骨 means bone. 吃皮不吃骨 literally means eat skin, don't eat bone. Actual meaning is not to hurt the vital part. Number 2. 吃软不吃硬。吃软不吃硬。软 is soft. Yìng is hard. Literally means eat soft, don't eat hard. The actual meaning is yielding to soft approach, but rejecting hard approach. Number 3. 吃软饭。吃软饭。软 is soft. Fan is rice. Literally means eat soft rice. The actual meaning of this Chinese phrase is a man depending on his wife for his livelihood. Number 4. 吃水忘了打井。吃水忘了打井。水 is water. 打井 is to dig a well. Literally means eat water, forget to dig well. The actual meaning is to forget about those people who have helped you obtain success. Number 5. 吃闭门羹。吃闭门羹。闭门 is closed door. 羹 is a kind of thick soup. Literal meaning of this phrase is eat closed door soup. Actual meaning is to be turned down or rejected by someone. Number 6. 吃窝边草。吃窝边草。窝 is nest. 边 is at the side. 草 is grass. Literally means eat nest side grass. Actual meaning is to prey on one's neighbors or friends. Number 7. 吃闲饭吃闲饭闲 means idle. Fan is rice. Literally means eat idle rice. The actual meaning is to lead an idle life or to be a loafer. Number 8. 吃香的喝辣的吃香的喝辣的香 means fragrant or nice to eat. 喝 is drink. 辣 is spicy. Literally means eat, nice, drink, spicy. The actual meaning of this phrase is to lead a wealthy life, eating and drinking freely. Number 9. 吃鸭蛋吃鸭蛋鸭 is duck. 蛋 is egg. Literally means eat duck eggs. The actual meaning of this phrase is to get 0 in exam or competition. Number 10. 吃洋墨水吃洋墨水洋 is foreign. 墨水 is ink. Literally means eat foreign ink. The actual meaning is to have studied abroad. Number 11. 吃油头吃油头油 is oil. 头 is head. Literally means eat oil head. The actual meaning is to gain extra advantage by unfair means. Number 12. 吃饱了撑的吃饱了撑的The literal meaning of this phrase is eating too much to a point of bursting. The actual meaning is to mock someone who has too much time on his hand and started to do silly things. Number 13. 吃不到葡萄就说葡萄是酸的吃不到葡萄就说葡萄是酸的葡萄 is grapes. 酸 is sour. Literally means cannot eat grapes, then say grapes are sour. The actual meaning of this phrase is to be sour grapes, to pretend to despise something because you are unable to attain it. Number 14. 吃错了药吃错了药错 is wrong. 药 is medicine. Literally means to eat the wrong medicine. Actual meaning is to mock someone for being crazy and doing the wrong things. Number 15. 吃的盐比你吃的饭还多吃的盐比你吃的饭还多盐 is salt. 饭 is rice. 多 is many or a lot. Literally means eat salt more than you eat rice. The actual meaning of this phrase is to have more life experiences than others. That's all we have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn Chinese with us. See you again soon. Bye. 我们的视频就到此为止。再见。